Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. Check your garden bed's paths and fence lines for weeds. In spring, weeds grow rapidly and in no time they'll be flowering, setting seed and spreading. Get your weeds under control with a non-selective weed killer like Yates Zero Triple Strike. It controls both grass and broadleaf weeds and controls them, roots and all. A garden filled with roses and flowers is a delight for us, but also pollinating insects like bees. It's really important to feed your roses and flowers regularly with a fertiliser that's rich in potassium, because potassium is the nutrient that promotes flowering. Insect pests like aphids and caterpillars love all the spring growth. As soon as pests are noticed on your ornamental plants, as well as veggies like tomatoes, spray plants with an insecticide that will control the most common sucking and chewing insect pests. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!